Hello there, my name is Paul, and you probably know about the custom shapes that we have in the Shapes panel. This is great. You can add to it, right? Preset syncing makes this really powerful as well. Just dropped in this lovely Capricorn since I have a Capricorn. But what I want to show you is you have live shapes. So you have additional properties that you have with your different vector shapes. Say, for instance, this lovely Capricorn, we want to go beyond a straight line, dash line. Hey, let's give it a dotted line. We can adjust the gap, do all that fun stuff with that shape. But for all these wonderful live shapes off to the side, right? They're all going to have different properties. So check out the triangles, brand new one. Polygon, yeah, let's go with it. I like it a lot. Dragging that out like so. There it is, right? And we can dive into giving it a dotted line, and we can see all these properties off to the side. So sure enough, I can go from 5 to maybe 12 sides for the 12 zodiac signs as I start to work on this design. You can round the corners as well. Not only that, guess what? Right over here, we can set the star ratio. So we could bring in each one of those sides and make it a point. So you can see how you can make badges and all sorts of things. Maybe curve it if you want to. Maybe smooth the star indents. See what you get? You get a lot of control when it comes to these live shapes. So check out each one of the live shapes. There's a lot that you can do within Photoshop. No need to jump to Illustrator or another app. Check it out today, and thanks so much for watching.